What's going on, YouTube? Good morning. Hopefully everybody had a nice Thanksgiving. Today is going to be an exciting day, and it's going to be the first major modification that we are making on Lucifer. Today we're going to be installing the new Skyjacker 3.5-inch lift kit. The Skyjacker lift is going to again be 3.5-inch coil springs. It's going to come with the front lower control arms, wheel spacers, basic shocks, adjustable tow bar, and the sway links. All hardware will be inside of here. We're going to be taking it to a place called Off-Road Warehouse out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Four-wheel parts is a little backed up and a little pretty much expensive in regards to how simple this project was. I'm going to go ahead and charge us an extra $400 more. I was not about that. So let's get to it. Okay, so we've arrived at Off-Road Warehouse. That's what it looks like. So we'll be here on Russell. Past the strip's gonna be more westbound on the strip's. Pretty cool. These different Jeeps, the workers that work here. Here's Lucy. You're gonna notice, shout out to Jeep Chrysler Subaru from Peoria, Arizona. They were able to actually go ahead and switch my front bumper, part of the deal. My stinger attachment on top, connected my winch and everything from the Hitman over to the Lucifer. So again, here we are, just gonna go ahead and get the lift installed now. Let's go on inside. Okay, so it is the next morning. I picked up the Lucifer last night. The only reason why I couldn't show it off last night is because it was extremely dark. And obviously the Jeep is black, so it blends in. However, holy crap. This thing is awesome. I'm so excited. Last night we took it out to Apex. As soon as we picked it up, let's go ahead and try some stuff out. Significantly different. It's of course obviously way higher. The ride quality is just as smooth as the OEM. It is absolutely ridiculous. Here's how she looks now. Okay, before I got into it, I was higher than it. Now it's above my head. Okay. This thing is a absolute beast. The suspension, for being the price point that it was, let alone I got it for free. However, this thing is an absolute monster. Okay, so you'll see right there is uneven. For some reason, the last couple suspension lift kits that I've gotten, you get that Jeep lean where it leans more to the right. Then, you know, it is actually even. Now it is perfectly even. You'll also notice it wasn't just lift kit. Last minute, I decided to pull the plug and install the 37-inch BFGoodrich KO2 tires, my third pair of KO2's. Selling the other ones here. These are my 35. Still plenty of tread left on them. Okay, I listed them on OfferUp. If they sell, they sell. If not, then hopefully by the time one of these pop, knock on wood, if they do, then the tread that I have left on these will go ahead and just, 35 and 37, just pretty much be the same thing. There's a brand new spare right there. This is stock parts. Okay, these have less than 2,500 miles on them. I think I'm only at 2,200 miles right now on the odometer. Because again, this thing is brand new, okay? I have a bunch of AFE parts coming in for the exhaust, AFE Momentum GT cold air intake. Alrighty. So these are just some of the mods that I've done so far right now. You'll see the front lower control arms there, the Skyjacker, right? Getting in it, see how high it sits now. Duckies, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and post a driving test later to go ahead and show. But again, you can just see it's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. These are just some of the, again, accessories that I took out of my other one, put them on over. The shade idea. Then we also got the rubber mat in right now. We go to the drive-in movies a lot, so it makes a huge difference when you have something soft to sit on. In regards to like the hard metal itself, all riveted and whatnot, it makes it a little hard for your tailbone to find something comfortable to sit in. Got the bullet one. I have a red one of these coming in. Should be here later this week to go ahead and match the black and red theme that we have for the Lucifer going on right now. But yeah, so far so good. Put maybe 45 miles on the new lift kit last night, hitting the sand dunes at Nellis in Las Vegas, Nevada. So definitely noticeable difference. The stance, everything's just even, just, you know, incredible. Alrighty guys, as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll be posting more content more rapidly now than ever before. Thank you much.